Hello everyone, it's SpawnPoiint and it is here. We finally have that all black PS5 setup. And today we're going to be unboxing and taking a closer look at the new Midnight Black collection which launches on February 20th. Now this is one that I've been waiting for, so thank you to PlayStation UK for gifting these and sponsoring so I could make today's video. I've also added a link to the Midnight Black collection below if you want to check them out. Okay, so first up, let's take a look at the DualSense Edge wireless controller. This comes in the usual white and blue packaging with the controller image on the front and some extra information around the back. But if we open this up, we can take a closer look. Okay, so inside we have a white box with the PlayStation logo on the top, and inside that we get a all black carry case instead of the usual white one that we have on the original Edge. Okay, this looks nice. So as you can see here, we've got the all black DualSense Edge, and I'm already preferring the look of this. It actually looks really stealthy as well. Now the main case and the grips of the controller are a nice matte black, while the bottom removable piece has that usual glossy black finish like we had on the white Edge. But it still has these tiny PlayStation icons built into the touchpad across the top, which is always a really nice touch. Right, now if I grab the white Edge controller, you can see how these two compare. I mean, I like this one, but I think the Midnight Black one wins my vote seeing them side by side. Okay, then with the DualSense Edge, it still comes with the same great features that we get on the standard DualSense, things like haptic feedback and the adaptive triggers. But it also comes with what I would call pro features, extras that take gaming to that next level. So if I flip this around, you can see here it's got a couple of rear buttons which you can pull off and swap between two different styles. And these are mappable back buttons which you can customize in the settings and map to other buttons you'd normally press. So for example, I always use jump or crouch in games like Helldivers 2, but you could map this to changing views in Gran Turismo 7, or even the handbrake button. And that's what I like about the Edge, it lets you fully customize how you want to use it. And the triggers across the top can also be adjusted for faster inputs. So for games like Helldivers 2, you can obviously fire even quicker. And I'll let you into a little secret as well. I actually use the Edge controller for my Astrobot speedruns, and I can tell you now, it was really helpful. But the big one for me are the profiles. So instead of having to change your button layout or mapped buttons every time you swap a game, you get custom profiles that you can create and swap between at a press of a button. This means I can have a profile set up for Gran Turismo 7, then another one for God of War Ragnarok. And as you can see here, as I'm swapping between the profiles on PS5, it tells me which one I'm currently using on screen. Oh, and what's great about the DualSense Edge is it works on both PS5 and PC, so that's pretty cool and perfect if you game or play on either. And then just to quickly show you what's inside the carry case, well, it also comes with extra items as well, including a braided USB cable in black, extra dome caps, 2 sets of back buttons, and a connector housing. Okay, then next up from the new collection is the PlayStation Portal Remote Player. If you're not familiar with one of these already, this is PlayStation's handheld streaming device that lets you play your PS5 or cloud stream games away from your setup. So it comes in the usual white and blue packaging with the image of the Portal on the front, but if we open this up and slide this box out, we can take a closer look at the new colour. Okay, so you know what, I'm a fan of the standard white Portal, as I think it looks pretty clean, but seeing it now in the all black gives us a whole different vibe. It definitely looks far more stealthy and almost understated. I actually really like this in Midnight Black. And then just like the white Portal, we have an 8-inch LCD screen in the middle with the DualSense controllers on either side. These have the usual adaptive triggers and haptic feedback built in like we get on the standard DualSense controllers. So as you're playing games, you're not losing any features that you'd normally experience on the PS5. Now you might be thinking, how can you use the Portal? Well, the first is you can remote play your PS5 while you're away from your setup. So this means you can sign in and remote play your games on the PS5. And this works both inside and outside your house, as long as you have a Wi-Fi connection. The other way to play games is via cloud streaming. This is an update that we got a few months back for PS Plus premium subscribers, and that lets you play any of these games without needing to sign into the PS5, so that is pretty cool. And then here's how the Midnight Black Portal looks alongside the original white one as well as the 30th anniversary edition. But I actually did a full review on the Portal on the channel if you want to check that out. Okay, so we also get 2 more accessories launching as part of the new collection, including the Pulse Elite wireless headset. This is the first colour that we've had other than the original white headset that launched back in 2024. And this, in my opinion, is the Pro headset from the PlayStation range. Okay, so here's how it looks in the all midnight black colour, which again, pairing it with the other accessories that we've seen today, it does look good. Now it's got the hard plastic headband across the top, but underneath that is the rubber strap, which is what sits on your head. It has also got two nice soft over-the-ear cups with loads of padding on these as well. Now, one feature that I really like on the Elite headset is the retractable mic, as it means you can pull it out and position it closer to your mouth to get that better mic audio. Plus, it does have the AI enhanced noise rejection feature built in, which definitely helps a lot. Then inside the box, it also comes with a USB dongle for PlayStation Link, a manual and warranty information, a USB cable and a charging hanger. And this little hanger is so cool, as you can either attach it to your wall using the screw hole, or like I did, stick it to the underside of your desk with some double-sided tape. Then just hook the headset on and voila, we have just made a super neat charging setup under the desk. And as for the battery, well, you'll get around 30 hours on one charge, which is a lot, especially if you keep it charged up on this hanger. And if you'd rather wear earbuds instead of a headset, we've also got the Pulse Explorer wireless earbuds. And as we open this up, inside the box we get an info card on how to set them up. But underneath that is the midnight black charging case which contains the earbuds. And if you look around on this case, you can see we've got a PlayStation logo on the front as well as a USB-C port on one end. But then if we slide this open, we get the two earbuds sitting inside. So these are once again completely blacked out with the entire case, logo and tips all in black, which just like the other items that we've seen today, it definitely gives it a more stealthy look. Now sound-wise, these come with the plain magnetic drivers and support PS5's Tempest 3D audio. They also have a mic built in, so you can use them for your party chat or making phone calls as well. And once again, the mic also has the AI enhanced noise rejection to make your voice sound even better, which I have to say is pretty decent. Now, the fact that it has PlayStation Link and Bluetooth built in also means you can use this on the PS5, PC, mobile, and the Portal. And on top of that, this has actually got multi-use where you can use both Bluetooth and PlayStation Link at the same time. Although, to be honest, personally, I do prefer using a headset over earbuds, especially when I'm gaming. And then here's the entire midnight black setup. This is every item in the collection that you can buy if you're going for that all blacked out look. We've got the midnight black console covers that we've had before, all of the new accessories and the black DualSense controller as well. And I think this looks awesome, to be honest. And even though I do like my 30th anniversary PS5, which I don't think I could ever change from, I am a huge fan of this look. So yeah, if you are going for that all black stealthy look PS5, this is definitely the way to go. And then I just want to say again, thank you to PlayStation UK for gifting these and sponsoring so I could show you guys what we get in the collection. But what do you think? Is the dark mode style PS5 for you? Or are you a fan of a different colour theme? Now drop an all black PS5 in the comments and I'll give you a thumbs up for staying right till the end. And if you did enjoy today's video, check out my PS5 4-year review video next. Well, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and follow me everywhere. Until next time.